Good morning children, now it's time for an English grammar and today we'll be doing the revision work of chapter 5 gender. Now look at the book. Nouns have different genders. These are masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So nouns have different genders. These are masculine, feminine, common and neuter. So what is masculine gender? Now, masculine gender nouns are used for the male persons or animals. What is masculine gender? Masculine gender nouns are used for the male persons or animals. Next, what are feminine gender nouns? Feminine gender nouns are used for the female persons or animals. Feminine gender nouns are used for the female persons or animals. Now look at the examples. Masculine, feminine. Nephew, what will be the feminine of nephew? Niece. N-E-P-H-E-W, nephew. N-I-E-C-E, niece. Next, masculine of landlord, landlady. What will be the masculine of landlord? Landlady. Masculine of father-in-law, mother-in-law. Masculine of father-in-law, mother-in-law. Masculine of sir, madam. Sir, madam. Masculine of bull, cow. Bull, cow. Masculine of hunter, huntress. Masculine of hunter will be huntress. Next, masculine of lord will be lady. Lord, lady. Masculine of count, countess. Masculine of count will be countess. Masculine of female peacock, feminine of peacock will be peahen. Feminine of peacock will be peahen. Next, feminine of milkman will be milkmaid. Feminine of milkman will be milkmaid. What will be the feminine of prince? Princess. Feminine of prince will be princess. P-R-I-N-C-E, prince, and the feminine will be P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S, princess. Next, what will be the feminine of rooster? R-O-O-S-T-E-R. What will be the feminine of rooster? Hen, H-E-N, hen. Hen is the feminine. Now, gender. What will be the feminine of stallion? S-T-A-L-L-I-O-N, stallion. The feminine will be mare, M-A-R-E, mare. Stallion, mare, M-A-R-E, mare. What will be the feminine of bachelor? B-A-C-H-E-L-O-R, bachelor. What will be the feminine of bachelor? Spinster. Spinster. Spinster spelling S-P-I-N-S-T-E-R. Spinster. T-E-R, spinster. What will be the feminine of fox? F-O-X, fox. And feminine will be vixen. V-I-X-E-N, vixen. Next, what will be the feminine of gander? Goose. G-A-N-D-E-R, gander. G-O-O-S-E, goose. What will be the feminine of bridegroom? Bride, B-R-I-D-E, bride, G-R-O-O-M, groom. And what will be the feminine of bridegroom? Bride, B-R-I-D-E, bride. What will be the feminine of monk? M-O-N-K, monk. Feminine will be nun, N-U-N, nun. What will be the feminine of duke? D-U-K-E, duke. What will be the feminine of duke? Duchess, D-U-C-H-E-S-S, duchess. What will be the feminine of enchanter? Enchantress, E-N-C-H-A-N-T-E-R, enchanter. And the feminine will be enchantress, E-N-C-H-A-N-T-R-E-S-S, enchantress. What will be the feminine of master? Mistress. M-A-S-T-E-R, master. And the feminine will be M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S, mistress. What will be the feminine of emperor? E-M-P-E-R-O-R, emperor. And the feminine will be empress. E-M-P-R-E-S-S, empress. The common gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals. Common gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals. Common gender, it can be used for both male and female persons, that in which you cannot distinguish whether it can be male or female. Neuter gender nouns are used for non-living things. Neuter gender nouns are used for non-living, any non-living things that is used for, that is the neuter gender. Look at the examples. Common gender is just like, look at the book. Person, it can be any person. Friend can be male or female. Teacher can be sir or madam. Children, both male and female, boy or girl. Parents, mother, father. Friend, male, female, girl, boy. Guest, it can be male or female. So common gender usually is person, friend, teacher, children, parents, friend, guest. Next, neuter gender is any non-living things, like, and the neuter gender is table, chair, bed, bag, bridge, house, computer, any non-living things that are related with the neuter gender. Now look at the exercise. Now look at the exercise. Masculine, grandfather, grandmother. Bull, cow. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Milkman, milkmaid. Landlord, landlady. Stallion, mare. Count, countess. Duke, duchess. Emperor, empress. Fox, vixen. Gander, goose. Master, mistress. Host, hostess. Prince, princess. Tiger, tigress. Bachelor, spinster. Sir, madam. Nephew, niece. Bridegroom, bride. Hunter, huntress. Enchanter, enchantress. Rooster, hen. Lord, lady. Underline the common gender. The director of the company is my uncle. Underline the common gender. The director of the company is my uncle. So here director is the common gender. Next, Ali is his youngest child. So child is the common gender. Next, the 5 soldiers received a bravery award. Here soldiers is the common gender. Sita is my sister's friend. So friend is your common gender. We are kind to our servant. Servant is your common gender. Next, change the gender of each highlighted noun and rewrite each sentence. The hunter went into the forest. So what will be the gender of hunter? Huntress. The man ate 100 bananas. So what will be the gender of feminine of man? Woman. Mac is a policeman. What will be the feminine of policeman? Policewoman. The woodcutter's son helped a puppy. So what will be the feminine of son? Daughter. Rajiv's father is an engineer. So what will be the feminine of father? Mother. The gentleman opened the door. Feminine of gentleman will be gentlewoman. The dog chased the fox away. So what will be the feminine of fox? Vixen. 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 The monk went to the church. What will be the feminine of monk? Nun. My uncle visited Turkey last year. So what will be the feminine of uncle? Aunt. My grandfather bought an ice cream for me. So what will be the feminine of grandfather? Grandmother. So again, I'll just tell you once again what is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender, so that it will be easier for you. If anything is given to change the gender, you can easily do it. What is masculine gender? Masculine gender nouns are used for male persons or animals. Masculine gender nouns are used for male persons or animals. What is feminine gender? Feminine gender nouns are used for the female persons or animals. What is feminine gender nouns? Feminine gender nouns, they are used for female persons or animals. Masculine gender nouns are used for male persons or animals, and feminine gender nouns, they are used for female persons or animals. Gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals. Common gender nouns, they are used for both male and female persons or animals, and neuter gender nouns are used for non-living things. Color the noun clouds of each gender as instructed. So masculine blue, common green, feminine orange and neuter yellow. So doctor is common gender. So color it green. Stallion is masculine, color blue. Wallet is neuter, color yellow. Vixen is feminine, color orange. Student is common, color green. Tigress is feminine, color orange. Bride is feminine, color orange. Gander is masculine, color blue. Monk is masculine, color blue. Nephew is masculine, color blue. Table lamp is neuter, color yellow. Singer is common, color green. So we have done the revision of chapter 5, gender. You have to by heart the masculine, feminine, and understand the which is common in common gender and neuter gender. Do all the exercise in your copy. Thank you.